Click on search icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Now select Run as Administrator. On this window, click on File, select Run New Task, and then click on Browse button. Now select this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. From here just scroll down and open C System32 folder. Then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe file. Double click on it. Then check this box and click on OK. This will open command prompt window. We already have the list of commands to make it easy for you. So we need to open Google Chrome. Then open google.com. In the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. From the search results, click on this link which is from hows.tech. Now just scroll down and we need to copy these commands. So copy command number 12, go to command prompt window. Simply right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter to execute it. Then copy command number 13 and right click and paste the command, hit enter. Once done, close the command prompt window. Click on search bar, type here troubleshoot settings and click here to open it. Now go to other troubleshooters, scroll down and go to Windows Update, select Run. This will try to detect the problems. Once done, close all these windows one by one. Again go to search bar, type cmd, run as administrator. Now type this command carefully, sfc /scannow and hit enter. This command will take some time to complete the process. Once done, close the command prompt window. Again go to search bar and type here command prompt run as administrator. Now these commands are really important. To avoid mistakes, you will get all these commands from the description below. Just copy them and paste it here. Hit enter to execute them. Just follow my screen. Once done, close the command prompt window. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.